Good afternoon. Today I wanted to go over let me start. It's May 20th, 2016, and I've been going through some market reports, and I think they're really interesting. Anybody looking to buy or sell in this market, Park City, our market's very, very stable right now, but there's certain communities that are just on fire, and there's others that are quite cold, and I wanted to take you guys through that to give you a 5 minute overview, really where our market stands today for Q1 2016. And I'm going to start with this slide here. Shows you really we're on the decline. Look at Q1 back to 12, climbing up to Q1 of 15. And in 2016, we're down 13.8%. I'm going to pull this next slide up here. This one's a pretty interesting. I like this slide. This is based on sales upon the last 12 months. And as you'll see, you've got an inventory change. Look here. Look Old Town. Old Town inventory change is up 30%. And you'll see in a few minutes, Old Town's prices are 11% above the high in 2008. Your inventory is 47 right now, and I'll get you to the slides in a few minutes. You'll see the absorption rate in these areas too, but inventory is up. Look at Park Meadows, way down. Look at Sun Peak, way down. Summit Park's way down. Jordanelle's way down. Pretty hot markets we'll get to in just a minute. Again, this is the single family right here, condominium, vacant land, and then a total snapshot. So taking you over into this would be your absorption slides. So right now with the single family homes in Old Town, you'll see 47 listings, 49 sales. Absorption rate takes you 11 and a half months to sell your home. And again, this is why you want to market it properly, price it properly, so you don't have to wait 11 and a half months to get it sold. Many of the properties I think right now in Old Town are overpriced to the extent you want certain information on many of these different areas, 1 to 23. We can always dig deeper into the details there. But looking over here, Deer Crest, for example, look at Lower Deer Valley. Now, single-family homes, 18 months, 28 months, 14 listings, 6 sales. Going over to Empire Pass, which is interesting. You've got 53 condominium listings and 27 sales in the last year. And there's also a new project coming out of the ground there, too. So you're 23 months to sell your home. Now, it depends on the product too. You've got a dozen homes right now listed at Airily, but and nothing at Flagstaff. So over at Park Meadows, everything you see here in red, we've put in red, is really, really hot markets. So Park Meadows market, look at that month for the condominiums. You're just a little under 2 months. You're 3.7 on the single families, and the reason single families is a little bit higher is there's a certain number of homes that are between that $4 to $7 million range that takes a little bit longer to sell. But anything under $2 million in Park Meadows, if it's priced right, it's gone within days, sometimes multiple offers. Sun Peak, Silver Springs, one of the areas I think that could be overheated, and you'll see these other areas in red. Vacant land right now is not really overheated, but we also don't see a lot of inventory as well. So moving down, we'll move down to the absorption. You'll see where we start back in April of 2011. Look, absorption's going up. And so it's taking a little bit longer to sell your home. Again, I think that's simple economics of supply and demand and price. Price points have been raised a bit, and you'll see those in a couple of slides. Again, you need to price your home properly to get it sold quickly, depending on which market that you're in. Looking at the closed sales here from a year ago, you'll see that drop in that 13.8% is picking that up there. And then going back down here, I'll come back to this one. This one right here is pretty interesting. You look at Old Town condos, which they're still low. I mean, that could be a good buy right there, as you're 38% under the high point 2008. The same thing for Lower Deer Valley. The Canyons, that's got to move as soon as the new release of the new Canyons Village plan, the proposed Canyons Village plan goes public. Hopefully, that's pretty soon. I'm working with the folks right now on that. Strong market right here to be watching. And then I'm going to jump you over to the single family. So look at this. Here you go, Old Town single family, 11% above the height in 2008. Now, I contribute some of this to the veil factor, and there is a lot of listings right now. Look at Park Meadows, still 4% under. It's on fire. It'll continue to be on fire. Great time to sell in Park Meadows. Still a very good time to buy. Silver Springs, great time to sell. I'm not sure I'd buy. You're 22% above the 2008 high. Now you are in that market. That's a tough market to find a home under $1 million right now in Park City, but this is one that I think is overheated. Promontory is looking really strong right now, still 4% under where they were. It's crazy. Promontory right now has 50 homes under construction approximately, and another 50 plan checks are in for permit. So Promontory is still seeing a lot of movement. So really the snapshot is our market's really strong right now. As you'll see with the first quarter Park City volume compared to 2015, we're still moving up, but again, it's very segmented. Great to really get your real estate professional involved because there's a lot of details as it relates to each of these communities. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark Rodehaver at reparkcity.com, 435-659-8993, or you can email me to get into some of these specifics if you like at mark@reparkcity.com. Have a great day.